Hello everyone and welcome to Monday and day 5. It feels like I've been doing this for ages, but it is only day 5. Cup of doom. Come on then. Right, I've got one. It's a little one. It's a lined one. Oh, I can see words. Eternity. Oh my. Okay. That is a concept. So is Prince, I suppose, but you know, I managed that one kind of almost. Yeah. Right. We are doing eternity today, apparently. Oh. So what I wanna try these things. I never really. This has happened just by me opening these bottles. Okay, so this is gonna get messy. But they came in a palletful box, I think, and I never got the hang of them. They're weird. You don't necessarily paint with them, you just sort of splodge them around a bit. So might as well have a go at them. I've got an idea. I don't know if it's a good idea. But we're going to have a go. So I want to see if either I can draw the thing. I have a thing. It's a thing. I've got an idea. Oh god, it's got water on it as well. It'll be fine. I want to see if either I can draw it and then put these on top, or if I maybe put these down, let them dry, and then see what happens. So I am literally going to experiment with these, and they're just really gross. So essentially, you plop them on. I'm going to try it without water, then I'm going to try it with water, and I'm just going to see what happens. Ew. Ew. Interesting. Where's my paintbrush? My big old paintbrush. It is underneath a load of stuff I've got to edit, so that's fun. Let's try putting a bit of water down. This thing, I didn't really want to use water on this paper because it's going to go gross, but we'll have to see. It's interesting. Same kind of thing, not much difference. Well, that's an interesting. All over the desk. There we go. Already happening. We've also got this stuff which is rainbow, which is supposed to do interesting things. Oh, it's all spangly. Basically adds moist glitter. You just love working with something that says warning, danger, and a little picture of death there. That's lovely. I mean, it's certainly interesting. What earth colour is that? This is lemon, apparently. They don't need a good shake. Lemon? Oh, I don't think it needs the water, actually. You just play about with it, really, can't I? Ooh, I mean, it's making an interesting shape. What about if you use in a incredibly gross looking palette, just as paints? I remember this wasn't really working last time with just painting it. Dries immediately. So you could use it. Interesting. Let's try it over this and see what happens. Now I'll let it dry and see if I can actually. Oh, that's way too dark, that one. What if we just use the gold and the yellow? There you go. I think it needs a bigger hole. I mean, you can see it through the yellow. Of course you can. But not really the others. Are a bit too. Oh no, actually, as it's spreading out. Ooh, okay. Wow. Spangly. Can you even see the spangle on that? Ooh. Just sort of let it run down, maybe. It's interesting. Yeah, okay. So as long as I don't do it too thick, you can, you know, still see the line through there. But then again, I want to see if I can draw on top of it. Probably can. Still a bit, yeah, okay. All right, I think I'm going to splodge it on the paper. How's it? Oh, wow, yeah. It comes through. It definitely comes through. That's quite moist on the other side. I won't bother with the water because it's just going to ruin my pages and it doesn't look like I need it. And yeah, it looks better like that than that. No idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it. Maybe if I put something underneath. Oh, sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Okay, everything's fine. I didn't swear or anything. I put something underneath so it's sticking up a bit. And I just splodge it on. I'm going for it. I'm just going to go for it. Oh! That wasn't meant to happen. That was not meant to happen. Little teeny tiny bits of this. Oh wow, that is quite the statement. And we need, let's swap. So we do some over here. Yep, like that. And I can't remember which side was which. Let's put a bit of gold here. Come on. Come on, I put a bigger hole in you. You're fine. You're fine. Okay, that doesn't like it. And maybe, oh, okay, that's going there. Maybe a little bit of that. Well, it looks like something. You've got to give me that. It looks like something. I don't know what it looks like, but it exists. It exists, and that's what we wanted. So I'm going to leave that to dry, put the lids on these things and get them out of my way because they stink. This is just to show you, it's a Marabou alcohol ink. There you go. And they're stinky. But let's leave that to dry and then see what we can do. I actually came back and put a bit more on and it went very muddy. Oh, there's my name again. Just ignore the grumpy face. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah, I put a bit more on and then I put even more on and yeah, stuff happened. Stuff just happened. But I think this is a bit of a cop-out for me. I went more into the story than the actual illustration. I was thinking about what it meant to the story, which I will put here. Ping! There we go. And I just ended up getting a bit lost. I hope it came across that eternity is, well, it's what it is. It's just waiting around and nothing ever happening. And this, we assume human, we assume person has throughout eternity just wasted away and forgotten whoever they were. And eternity is slowly reaching out for them, but it never gets there because it is eternal. And the wormhole that our lovely Edmund, who seems to be the hero of the story, I don't know why, the wormhole he is stuck in is going through eternity. That was my idea. Anyway, I want to bring it back to the girl and the lightning tree somehow. We're 5 days in, so story-wise, thinking about some form of arc and ending, we're going to have to bear that in mind. But I don't know, I like this little fella. I had a go with the inks. I knew I wouldn't like them. It's not my thing. I couldn't figure them out when I first got them, and I couldn't figure out now. It's an interesting idea for this concept. I think that's what it is. This is a concept, not necessarily, an illustration. Little cross hatching, a little bit of shading, again with the Copics. I know I keep going back to the things, but it's ink, it counts. But yeah, I'm okay with this story-wise, but execution of actual drawing, I'm glad I tried something else. But it didn't come out the way that I wanted it to. So, I mean, 31 pictures, we're going to do some that we're not quite sure of. I thought about just redoing the whole thing, but it's my day off. I want to have a rest. Back at work again tomorrow for a little bit anyway. So I thought, no, I'll show you my muck up. I'll show you my mess, and then just there you go. You try things, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But story-wise, I'm okay with this. Our Edmund is being hurtled through the wormhole, not to Prince's or the artist formerly known as Prince's dressing room, but somewhere else entirely. Do I know where? No, I don't. Until the prompt for tomorrow comes out, I don't know where he's going. I don't know where the lightning tree is, and I don't know where the girl with the 1,000-yard stare is. But we'll find out. I'm determined by October 31st, isn't it? Yeah, we'll know. But anyway, this is what I did. I also showed my name a couple of times and badly covered it up. So yeah, sorry about that. But yeah. There you go. He looks... I wanted him to look melancholy, I guess. I'm attempting shadows. I'd given up by this stage, and there's a bit of pencil that won't rub out. And then, yeah, I go all out on pouring more stuff on. I just pour... And this last little bit you're about to see is in 400 times speed. So you can imagine how slowly this stuff ended up. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just slowly dripping down to him and... never ending. But anyway, I'm leaving it there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe and all of that business. Look, it's still going. It's still going. Very slowly, but it's going. It pretty much stops now. And there is the finished whatever this is. It got really muddy. I overdid it. I admit it. But for the purposes of the story, hello Prince, just poking through the page before. For the purposes of the story, the murkiness, the sort of dankness works. I wish I hadn't used that rainbow stuff. That's just weird. It's spangly in bits and not in other bits. But yeah, that's what I got out of the word eternity. I believe that was from my boyfriend. So thanks for that. That was a good one. I know what I meant. And it's the concept, maybe not the execution. But anyway, thank you very much, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye.